What's better, up grinding or down grinding? The issue of up grinding versus down grinding, or climb grinding, gets way too much publicity. People have this crazy notion that, oh, if you switch from up grinding to down grinding, your heat generation is going to go down 75%, and your wheel wear is going to go down 90%, and all your problems are going to be solved. And when I press people, or when I hear that, and I press people for information, I say, well, where did you hear that? They'll be, oh, well, some guy I met saw somebody at a conference who showed some results, but I never really get hard facts on this. But there are academic studies that have actually studied this in a very controlled, detailed way. In general, up grinding might give you a slightly smoother surface finish, or it might give you no change at all. It might give you a little bit less wheel wear. It might give you slightly higher surface temperatures, or it might not give you any difference at all. On the other side, if you switch to down grinding, you might get a slightly rougher surface finish, you might get a little bit more wheel wear, you might get slightly lower temperatures, or you might not. In the few cases where there was a difference, it was maybe 10, 15%, but it wasn't 50%. And in 99% of cases, the machine limitation, where the coolant nozzles are, how the collet holds the workpiece, whether or not you can change direction of the wheel, that usually will dictate whether or not you can go up to down or down to up. And even if you can change it, you might not see a difference, and if you do, it might be 10%. So the advice I give people is, don't worry about it. Whatever you're doing, do it. If you have a choice, all things being equal, I tend to prefer down grinding, but don't spend too much time worrying about it. What you're doing, whether it's up or down, is probably just fine.